Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care. So today we have reviewed a board ASUS model number F571G. It's a gaming laptop. So it's this video for beginners, purely beginners, because actually this board having short. Okay, just now board has opened, but when we plug the adapter, so immediately what is that? It's showing 5 amps. Otherwise, in adapter, it's getting cut off. Okay. Once again, I'm telling it's purely for fresher. Okay. If a short board comes, how to identify a 19 volt short and where exactly we have to remove the short. This is one example because multiple multiple problems may come. Here, one of the problem. Okay, let's start. See, this is the board. Just now it removed from cabinet. Now, as I told, it's 19 volts short. Here is the, see, in ASUS, this is actually HP kind of what is the DC jack. It's the latest DC jack. See, it looks like HP. Small pin. See, this one is ASUS one. Okay. Anyway, now as I told, see, this one is DC jack. Here is the positive one. Where exactly? Just a minute. See, it has grown. This also grown. This big capacitor, just keep it in your mind. This big capacitor usually comes with the 19 volts path. Not connected. Here's a ground. See, this capacitor is giving beep. Here, just a minute. One is positive pin. No short. See, this is a DC jack positive one. Here it has short. Don't consider it's a gaming PC or some other laptop like that. So just consider everything is one, because short, it may be game or it may be normal basic laptops, whatever it may be, short is short only. See here, one step I'll show you. First, actually, this supply will go to first MOSFET and second MOSFET generally, right? So as per that, here you have to find any one any one MOSFET here. See this path. This is 19 path. Okay, this one is this one only having short. This is positive one. Okay, anyway, this is a ground one. From here it has come. This is good. See, here 2 MOSFETs we got. This is usually CLR. This one is CLR. Okay, just we will check the CLR. Okay, ground. Ground. First, you need to remove this CLR, then we can check where exactly the problem. And one more thing I will show you. See, this CLR is connected to this. Okay, this CLR is connected to this. This one is directly connected to supply. See, this supply is joined through the fuse. See, through the diode. Maybe diode having short. I think so. Just a minute. This is a positive. Through this resistor, I think so. See, here it is connected and here it has beep. So maybe this resistor path has connected here, I think so. That's the reason it's showing beep. Here there is no beep. Here is the beep because of this track. See, now one small hint I will give. Here is the first MOSFET and here is the second MOSFET, because this second MOSFET is connected to the CLR, right? This may be battery section, I think so. See, it has gone to this. Here, in a high MOSFET, positive supply will be there. So that is positive, and second one goes to some other MOSFET. Now see, first you need to check the MOSFETs, drain and source. See, it's showing beep. This one, drain and source, there is no beep. It means this may be the problem. Okay, first you need to remove this. See, once again I will show you. For basic students, again and again I am telling you. See, it's a drain and source having beep. Even CLR also having beep because 19 volts has short. Now first what we have to do, first what is the short MOSFETs, first we need to remove, then only we can check one by one. Okay, I will remove this. See, I have removed the MOSFET. Now let me check the short has gone or not. See, there is no short. Now I will check the CLR. Still showing short. Here to here short has gone, and here it's showing short in the sense maybe this MOSFET. No, very good. It's showing short. Here one short is there. First we removed this, but anyway it was short. So now I will remove this CLR, these two CLR. Okay. See, I have removed the CLR now here. So now I will check which side short is there. Now this side short gone. This side still short is there. Okay. See this path. See here the beep. Opposite side there is no beep. First we need to suspect the MOSFETs. Okay. Then here one CLR is connected. Okay. This one also we need to remove because see here everywhere it will show the short. That also I will remove. I have removed the second CLR. So let me check still short is there or not. This side gone. It's a really complicated case because this one is processor section or graphics section. Graphics. If graphic side has some issue, then it will be complicated. Okay. Anyway, I will remove this one also. Let me check what it will be there. See, now I replaced this MOSFET. Okay, this CLR which I removed, I put it back because now there is no short. Short has removed here. But the thing is, here two CLR were there. Okay, that I removed, but here it's clear. Okay, here there is no short, but here it has short. This side there is no short, but here we need to check what track it is. What are the component is connected to this part. First we need to check, then we need to decide what it is. Here, see, this one has come to this, then this. This one showing short, means here 3 MOSFETs will be there. For that we need to check whether it's a MOSFET issue or some other issue. This is too critical now, because see, this section having short, in the sense that maybe because of this graphics chip or maybe because of this processor. Anyway, check once again what will be the issue. Here there is no short, but here it's showing short. Here I'm having suspect on this MOSFET. See, I will remove this and let me check short has gone or not. See, now I have removed this. In between these two, short has gone, but here still short is there. Okay, see, this side we are having short, here short has gone. Maybe this track. Okay, these 2 capacitors I will remove. See, now I removed these 3 capacitors. Let me check short is there or not. See, short has gone. I will put back this particular IC again. Let me check once again. Now we connected what are the removed components. See, first this MOSFET was short. First we removed, then also there was short. Then we removed the CLR. Then also there is a short. There was short in this area. So that area when we found, so here the 2 CLR again. Actually this CLR is nothing but a resistor, lower value resistor. Okay. So here 2 resistors were there that I removed. Then also this side had short. Then I checked this path. So then I found this IC. This IC I removed. Then again I found here the short. So when I removed these 3 capacitors, then short has gone. Again I put it back. Okay, this IC and this IC, this MOSFET IC. Now it's very simple to identify the short. First we need to find out the MOSFET. Then we have to go for resistor. This one capacitor. Everyone what they will do, so one by one capacitor they will remove where are the zero containing. We should not go to the capacitor first. First we need to check the MOSFET. Okay. Now I'll put the voltage. I will show you the short has gone or not. See, this is the ground. No short. See this area, this CLR, this CLR. There is no short. Short is removed. Okay. Now directly we'll give the voltage supply. Let me check voltage will pass or not. Here is the original adapter from customer. I connected. Check the CLR path. volts. Okay, 20.4. Now this board, the short has removed. It will be on or not, that is secondary thing. First we remove the short. Okay. Now we can check the display. I will connect the fan. First I will disconnect. Now I connected the motherboard to the panel. So let me connect the power supply and check. I have connected the power supply and now I am pressing the power button. See, power LED has glow. Now wait for the display. Comes or not, that I don't know. That is the second step. Yes, we got the display. You need not to worry for other works. Now this motherboard is okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.